Hey guys, Mick back with you again. Been 3 weeks since the last video, so I thought I'd better put something out. This is just going to be a quick short. Two reasons. One is battery's nearly flat on the phone. Second is, and I'm really excited, if you've been watching the channel, you know I've been talking about how we get no rain. Well, it's raining. We've only had 2 mil so far. We've actually had about I think 11 mil over the last 2 weeks. It's not a drought-breaking rain, but it is turning the grass, what grass is left, a little bit green. Don't mind that plastic on the grass, another story. But it's watering me veggies. All I've got in at the moment is broccoli and more broccoli. That's about all that's survived, except for the lupins, which I'm just going to let grow now, and I'll cut them off when they're a little bit longer. I have got around to covering a couple of my beds. I've got mushies in that one, but nothing's come up as yet. And over there I've got some red cabbage, some garlic and some chilies. Again, nothing's popped its head up yet. And I have over here, I know it's the wrong time of year, but I just wanted to grow something. I've got some little pumpkin plants growing, and I'm going to put a cover over that as well, which is why I've got that plastic sitting there. One other little quick thing, let me just the camera around again. And it's going to be a little bit dark in here. I'm hoping you're going to be able to see. The only reason I flicked the camera in is because the shed looks an absolute mess. I didn't want you to see it. But I bought 6 of these little plastic grow things. And let me move the glove. And not that you can tell, but there's a heated mat under it. So I'm trying to grow some plants in these. And this is where I'm going to try and grow my seedlings rather than direct plant, because nothing seems to be happening out there. Anyway, that's it for now. I just wanted to share my excitement, the fact that it's raining. Like I said, we've had about a ½ inch or 11 or 12 mil over the last couple of weeks. So it's not enough, but it's certainly helpful. It's certainly starting to get some water into our water tanks, which I'm really pleased about. Anyway, that's it for now. Catch you next time. Bye.